Welcome to the second week of English 102 summer semester. This week we'll be focusing on research and finding good sources for your Unit 1 essay. The first thing you need to do this week is read the Curious Researcher chapters. I would also like you to review the library video here. This essay does not require that you use scholarly sources. However, it is always a good idea to know how to find sources in the library. For Unit 2 essay, you will be using scholarly sources, so make sure you are familiar with locating them by watching this video. Your first assignment for the week is the Working Bibliography. For this assignment, you will find 10 sources related to your inquiry question. Make sure you use a variety of sources. For instance, I don't want to see all web-based sources or all books. You don't need to read the sources thoroughly, but skim them enough to write a brief summary. For each of the sources, you will create an MLA citation, a description of where and how you found the source. For example, I found this on Google or in the CWI library, and a brief summary of the source. I'm looking for about 2 to 3 sentences. For a reference of what I am looking for, review pages 74 to 75 in the Curious Researcher. Your second assignment for this week is the Working with Sources journal. The journal consists of 5 exercises from the Curious Researcher. Oops. The purpose of this journal is to help you practice responding to sources as you will be doing in your research notebook, and also to work on avoiding plagiarism. Please complete this assignment in the text box, do not submit an attachment, and do all of the exercises in one journal entry. Just number each step so it is easy for me to follow. It would be a good idea to create this in a Word document and then copy and paste it into the journal text box. Your final assignment this week is the research notebook. Earlier in the week, you will have completed the Working Bibliography. Now you will take 8 of the most promising sources you found and work with them in more depth to help you move closer to your rough draft. For this assignment, you can either use the double entry journal method or the research log method. Both of these are outlined in the Curious Researcher. The goal of this assignment is to generate thinking and material as we move into the rough draft next week. Past students have found this assignment most helpful in preparing to write the draft, and I hope you do too. Well, that wraps up week 2. If you have any questions on any of the material this week, please don't hesitate to contact me. Have a great week.